The teaching style here at Leiths is absolutely exceptional, but there's always 2 tutors in the classroom at any one time, and so I've never had to wait more than about 30 seconds if I have a question or a concern before the tutor is immediately by my side.
The teachers are very passionate about building you to be successful. They're always there to answer your questions. They're very observant of what you're doing, and they will always tell you how to do it better.
I really feel the teachers here offer so much. I love the variety of topics that we cover and different cuisines. I grew up in Asia, so I love that we cover those sort of cuisines and different skills from all around the world, and also obviously still sticking to traditional values and methods, but having a variety. It's really amazing.
I've really enjoyed the Leiths teaching style. It's systematic, it's rigorous, it's engaging.
The teachers are approachable, they're encouraging, they're warm and friendly, and they're endlessly positive no matter how our cooks are going, and they really make us feel like they're invested in our progress and they care. I just feel privileged to be taught by such a group of accomplished chefs who genuinely care about my progress.